Bond lengths are determined through X-ray diffraction. It is the distance from nuclei to nuclei. So that means I can take the radius of one and the radius of the second one, and I can add it up and I can get the bond length. There will be a chart provided for you on either my test or the AP test. You are not expected to memorize bond lengths, but you'll be given enough information that you can answer the problem. Please note that when you find the bond length is only for one bond length. So even if it's in a bigger molecule, you will only take the radius of two atoms and add them together. And I like to draw pictures of my bond length. So if this is nitrogen and this is oxygen, I can look up on the packet. I know nitrogen equals 70 picometers and oxygen equals 73.5 picometers. So then I just take and I add those together and I get 143.5 picometers. So even though it's in a larger molecule, I only do one of the bonds. Let's look at number two. Number two is more representative of what will be on the AP test, and I find it helpful to draw a picture. So this says the bond length for A2 is 74. So that means I have A bonded to A, and between the two nuclei is 74. And then it says I have AX, so there's my A, and here's my X. And I know what X is. X is 70. So to find what A is, I just divide 74 in half. So I would have 37 plus 37, and that means that this radius here is 37. And then it's just a matter of adding this up. So I add it up, I get 107 picometers. How are bond lengths determined for atoms? You look at the element covalently bonded, and then you look at the element ionically bonded, and you take an average between the two. So if something is covalently bonded, typically the nuclei are a little bit closer together because they are sharing electrons. And if we have an ionic bond, then that means that the atoms are a little bit further away. So these bond lengths are just average between the two.